Hi, I'm Oscar, and I will be introducing you to Qlicksmart's BladeFlask EVO Scalpel Blade Remover. Over the past 20 years, Qlicksmart's efforts in reducing sharps injuries has resulted in our products being used in over 52 countries around the world. The BladeFlask EVO uses an entirely new patented mechanism to remove blades, which expands on the compatibilities of the original BladeFlask, which was the world's first single-handed scalpel blade remover. The BladeFlask EVO accommodates all BP handles, including hexagonal, circular, Barron, and Lawton long handles, as well as bulbous handles and ergonomic handles under post-mortem ranges. It is compatible with all BP scalpel blades, including PM60 and 70 blades. In the UK, it's estimated that 100,000 sharps injuries occur each year. The United Kingdom Health and Safety Executive implemented the Health and Safety Sharps Instruments in Healthcare regulation in 2013 to reduce sharps injuries in workplaces. It is recommended that safety devices are easy to use, have visual, audible, or tactile feedback that the safety mechanism has been activated, and that the device is single-handed or activated automatically. As a safety engineered device, the BladeFlask EVO prevents scalpel injuries and their costs in line with the regulations and recommendations in the UK. BladeFlask EVO is a single-handed scalpel blade remover that removes and contains scalpel blades. The device provides visual, audible, and tactile feedback to indicate that the blade has been safely removed and contained by its automatic safety mechanism. To remove scalpel blades, begin by placing the loaded scalpel on the landing pad with the sharp side facing right. Push the scalpel in an upward direction along the ramp and into the BladeFlask EVO until you hear a click. The click sound indicates that the blade has been safely removed and contained. You can then pull the handle out of the BladeFlask EVO. The counter on the front counts down from 100 to 0 and then automatically shuts off when the BladeFlask EVO is full. When the automatic shutoff is activated, the BladeFlask EVO can be disposed of as a sharps container. The key things to remember about the BladeFlask EVO are that the device is safe, easy to use, and integrates seamlessly into existing practices. The BladeFlask EVO can improve safety and reduce injuries. The BladeFlask EVO's blade removal mechanism is activated automatically, which provides superior protection to users over devices where users must remember to activate the safety mechanism manually. Users can remove all BP scalpel blades quickly with a simple place, push, click, and pull. This means that the BladeFlask EVO does not require extensive training to be used. With the mounting bracket, the BladeFlask EVO can be mounted on a wall, bench, or trolley at the user's workstation. This allows users to easily remove scalpel blades at the point of use. The BladeFlask EVO fits under engineering controls within a facility's scalpel injury prevention strategy. The BladeFlask EVO is a puncture-proof sharps container, so it can be disposed of according to the facility's standard procedure for disposing sharps containers. As a sharps container, the BladeFlask EVO also protects downstream workers such as cleaners and waste collectors who would otherwise be exposed to uncontained scalpels. Within laboratory facilities, sharps safety products such as the BladeFlask EVO often fall under the facility's workplace health and safety budget. For hospitals and medical facilities, sharp safety devices may fit under infection control, workplace safety, or medical consumables budgets. If you have questions about Qlicksmart safety devices, contact our team by email at hello@qlicksmart.com.